Welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain to you how to set up a VPN on a computer, laptop, smartphone or any other device you have. Having a VPN on your device is beneficial to your online privacy and security, but also unblocking blocked websites and expanding your online freedom in censored countries. But until you get to that point, you're probably wondering how to set up a VPN on Windows, Android, Mac, iOS or any other platform you have available. Well, this is the question that I aim to answer today, and I will go step by step on how to install a VPN and set it up so that you can enjoy all the benefits of a VPN service. Before I do that, however, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new useful video like this one. Okay, so let's get back to the video. There are countless of VPN services on the market, so obviously I won't be able to show all of them in the video because it would last like 8 or 12 hours. What I will do instead is use my favorite VPN services, and these include ExpressVPN and CyberGhost, which you can get if you check the links in the description below and claim special discounts on their long-term plans. Also, I need to point out that setting up a VPN is pretty much the same on all platforms, so I will show you how to set up a VPN on my Windows computer, and the same will apply to macOS, iOS, Android and all other platforms. Got it? Good. The first thing you need to do is purchase a VPN. I will show you this process on ExpressVPN only because it functions the same or almost the same on every other VPN. First, you will need to visit ExpressVPN's website, and I suggest using this link comparative-vpn.fr/evpn to claim a 49% discount and 3 months free for its annual plan, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you're interested in a long-term commitment with a VPN. Once you do that, click on this red button and you will see all the subscription plans that are available. You will now know how to set up a VPN because from here everything is easy. Choose the plan you want. I will go for the monthly plan for instance, and then enter your email address. After you do that, simply proceed to the payment method you've chosen. For me, it's PayPal, but you can also go for Bitcoin if you like to stay anonymous. Now I need to click on continue to PayPal. And from here I can pay for my subscription. Obviously I can't show you my PayPal account for privacy reasons, so I will complete the purchase and get back to you in just a second. After the purchase, ExpressVPN redirects me to the page that gives me the activation code. In case you accidentally close this page, don't worry, because ExpressVPN will also send it to you via email provided upon purchase. Make sure you copy this code by the way, because it's needed to activate the application. Now I will click on Windows and download the setup file. After clicking on a setup file, the installation will start, and after a second or two, the application will open. Now you have to click on sign in, and now do you remember the code I talked about a few seconds ago? If you didn't, make sure you copy it and now paste it here. After that, you will need to click on continue, and as you can see, the app is now fully activated and working. Okay now, so how to set up a VPN after you install it? Well, it's quite simple as well. You usually have the connection button on the home screen of the app, and to connect to the server location you want, you will need to click here to open a server list. From here, I can connect to any of the servers and establish an encrypted connection with a VPN server in that location. For example, I will search for Italy and connect to the server in this country by double-clicking on it. And that's it. The VPN is now set up and I encrypted my connection successfully, having an Italian IP address. I can now watch Netflix Italy for instance, enjoy Italian TV channels or simply browse the web anonymously. If you're interested in how to set up a VPN that's not ExpressVPN, we can take a look at CyberGhost. The purchasing process is exactly the same, with you having to choose a plan, enter your email and choose the payment method. But the application looks different when compared to ExpressVPN, albeit it functions pretty much the same. We have a connection button on the right side and on the left is a server list, with the server types being located on the far left. There are dedicated torrenting and streaming servers for example, and you can also choose all servers to avoid filtering them by type. So, let's say I want to connect to a server in Australia. I can double click on it and CyberGhost will establish a connection to the VPN server located in this country. To disconnect, I will use the connection button on the right and the connection will be stopped. Some countries offer city-level servers such as Australia for instance, and if I click here, I will be able to see them and connect to any of the servers in these cities by using the same principle. And this is basically all when it comes to setting up a VPN on a computer or any other platform. The same principles apply to iOS, Android, Windows, macOS and other platforms, and the VPN apps I showed you will greatly resemble each other on different systems, so there's practically no learning curve. If you want to get CyberGhost instead of ExpressVPN, you can get the cheapest price on this VPN along with a 45-day money-back guarantee for all long-term plans simply by using this link, comparative-vpn.fr/cg, or as always, you can just click on the link in the description box below the video to claim the cheapest possible deal on CyberGhost. So, now that you know how to set up a VPN, feel free to try any of these VPNs and test them out. Thanks to a money-back guarantee on both sides, you will not lose a single dollar, yet you have much more to gain in terms of privacy and security online, which, let's be honest, the majority of internet users don't have. With that said, this was all for today's video. We hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you smash the like button below, subscribe to our channel and stay with us because many more useful videos like this are coming very soon. See you in the next video. Bye.